Welcome to Page Tutorials. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to use QuickBlog for the page ads service. So let's dive in because we have a lot of things to cover here. It's fairly easy system, but first let me explain to you what the QuickBlog does. QuickBlog is an auto blog generator, as we called, or auto PBN generator, as it described in the industry. So Autoblog is fairly easy system. What it does basically is boosting your organic traffic or SEO traffic in the search engines. Let me give you one example. First of all, this is our main dashboard. This is where we create quick blog, and after that I'm going to show you how to manage the quick blogs you already created. So our main keyword is going to be buy house with crypto. Let's check this keyword. So our main keyword, this is going to be our website title also, and we're going to check the domain is valid or not. We just entered our domain, and QuickBlog gives us few options to choose as a domain extension. So I'm gonna go with website, and I'm hitting the check availability. So it's sending this domain extension to a server to check if it's okay or not, is it viable or not. We get a successful message. The server said you can buy this domain. So in the next step, we're going to choose the hosting options. We are giving two options here, onshore and offshore. And for the tutorial purposes, I'm not going to dive into the details about that, but you can read it here. Basically, it's a trademark. If you have some sort of trademark issue or relevant trademark issue, could be happen as a potentially, you can choose offshore as an option, but QuickBlog is going to deploy the new website, the new blog into the hosting you just gonna bought. So we choose onshore for this tutorial. So let me dive into the features as a very slow pace, because when you hover it, it gives you a full extension about what it does. But let me give you as a one sentence explanations for the features. The CTA is giving you an option to write autoblog generator comments, like a real website comments, but with a few differences compared to normal comments. CTA creates humanly sounded possible comments for your blog, and after that it can give you an internal and external linking options for to boost your SEO rankings also. This is a very helpful feature. Highly recommended you to use that. Indexing comes with the QuickBlog as a free, so if you check indexing, it will send your new articles to the indexing engine to make it index much faster compared to normal indexing process. SERP is search engine result page, give you the ranking in the Google, also highly recommended to check that. Backlinks, using backlink in this option means you are exchanging backlinks with the other QuickBlog users. If you uncheck this, you will not receive or send any backlinks with other users, but we created this QuickBlog system as a private network, so it's always a high quality links with high DA and PA results. So I recommended you to choose the backlink option also. And one more thing is the spin cloud. Spin cloud is a system. It spins your article, which means it's changing article for the AI detection system for the search engines. We built the spin cloud from scratch. It's highly effective tool, and it uses the four other engines to check if the article is valid or not. So highly recommended also using the spin cloud for your new quick blog. And in the last stage is ask us the time period, how many months you wanted to buy this quick blog. Say I'm going to use it as, let's say, 12 months, right? And I have to say, when I hit create, it give us the time frame is going to be used, and it will give us the actual roadmap. So let's check out the roadmap. In the first roadmap, you say I'm going to purchase the domain. I'm going to deploy the hosting. I'm going to deploy the security settings. And after that, it's going to install the CMS, which is controlling the whole system, the whole QuickBlog system inside of it. And auto blogging will be start. I say, okay, and I'm done with QuickBlog. As you can see, it will appear here. I already added before, so I'm just gonna show you the difference and the QuickBlog features here. So let's manage our QuickBlog we already created a minute ago. So the first step after we created our QuickBlog, we need to feed it with the content to the blog to be keeping going. So let's say buy house with crypto, we just said, but let's say buy house with Ethereum, we're gonna be specialized, we're gonna be customize the content here. So let's say generate more titles. AI is generating now the website articles, headlines actually, and after these headlines, the content will be written based on these keywords. You can manually change these keywords, let's say, or you can type more intricate headlines here to generate the headlines relevant to the ones you wanted to hear. And if you set generate more titles on and on, you are creating more. So we are okay with it now with the keywords we wanted to set for our blog. And here is an option how many articles you wanted to post daily. Let's say I wanted to post only one article here. And when I said add, so now we created our content to be fed it into our new QuickBlog system. So let's dive in the options, the management side of the thing. When I said manage posts, we're going to end it up in an editor here. With this editor, we can do customization, we can change images, we can edit links. It's a fully flag editor, so it's fairly easy to use to manage your quick blog you already posted. But there's a one nice feature. So when it comes to the links, you don't actually need this editor. I will show it to you in a minute. So let's go back. When I say edit menu, is the menu is creating a new menus or new categories, let's call it, in your newly created block. When I set a new menu, we can just say buy house with tattoo, let's say, and I'm creating a new link. And when I save it, I have a new menu in my newly created quick block. I think that could be the most useful option of the quick block. We already integrated the ad places, the banner places inside the quick block. So if you wanted to add something new, like you can embed a code here, you can create a text link, or you can add a new image here to be shown in your newly created quick block. Let's say you wanted to add a pop-up when your visitors enter your newly created blog. You can just say image. Here you are pasting your image URL. Here you are putting your domain to redirect incoming traffic from that pop-up. And when you hit save, it's done. It's affecting in a matter of seconds. And there was another feature. When you buy your quick block, you buy as a limited time period. You can extend your newly created block from this section here. So let's dive in, as I told you a minute ago, the link management, the backlink management process. For that, we are using the auto block menu here. Auto block is being used for two purposes. So we separate it as this way. The first one is creating an instant articles here. So let's create one. So the quick block system using the scheduled posts, but here if you need the content right away, you can just hit it write and start writing. As you can see, right now is the process is going. Say writing the content, uploading images, and put it on the queue. So if there's nothing in the queue waiting on, your article is already published here. So it's done. Let's check out the backlinks. So this is a backlink management tool. We already integrated the AI for the anchor text. Let me show you. If you don't know what to actually write, our system using a web access. So AI is actually searching for a web at the moment and giving you the anchor text, which means most useful or most suitable for the incoming traffic. And after that, you can just click here, adding your links to redirect or giving the backlinks for the articles you already created here. So that's pretty much is it. Uh, One more thing. When you finish with your QuickBlog, if you run out of content, you can always come here and you can create new articles, new content every time from the Add Keyword menu. Thank you for watching.